Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the GAD Sports app to your Firestick in 2025. It's an amazing live sports and live TV app which can use to access content from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. And now, first of all, to get that app, you have to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me. So just go to the search bar on your Firestick, here it is, open it, and now in here what I have to do is start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here's this app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we have to go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, and then scroll down and open My Fire TV. So click on it, and in here, you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if we go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And in here, what I have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let me open it, and here is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on a Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to Croatia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. And now just go back to the list of apps on your Firestick, open it, and let's get ready to start using downloader on your Firestick device. So just open downloader, and here in the search bar, you have to enter a code, which we need to download the GAD Sports application. So the code is going to be 213 2155390. So once again, 2155390. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until it is fully installed. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way we get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And then when you return back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and here at the bottom you will finally see the GAD Sports application. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on move to front. And this way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.